It's officially been 1 week since we've been in isolation due to the COVID-19 epidemic. And as a mom and a wife, I have to make sure to stay mentally healthy for them. Some of the things that I've been doing around the house have been planting. I've never really done a garden before, so I decided to buy some Bib lettuce and broccoli just to start to see how it goes. Wish me luck. Another thing I love doing is cooking for my family. Breakfast is a big deal for us. I started this morning by making an apple cinnamon oatmeal. It's so easy, guys, and it is so delicious. So here I've cut up small bite-sized apples and I toss them into a saucepan. Then add a little bit of water and just a pinch of cinnamon, just for flavor. Then I let that boil and come together until the apples are soft. Here I'm using Nature's brand instant oatmeal. I pour 1 cup to 2 cups of oat milk. But we are trying to stay a little bit healthy while we've been home, so oat milk it is. Then for sweetener, I use maple syrup. You can use sugar, of course, but maple syrup really levels up the flavor of this, and I use 2 tablespoons here. And then for a little saltiness, I use a little bit of the Earth Balance butter. You, of course, can use salt. Then mix it all together until it thickens, and then you want to pour into your bowls. Here it is. This turned out really great, guys. This is me and hubby sitting down in the morning eating it really early while Kelsey's still in bed. We did, of course, save her some. During the afternoon, this is the time where I do a little sprucing up. I'm cleaning, we're going through emails, and sometimes we are just creating content. Later in the day, we normally love to take our dog out for a walk. This is Lola, fascinated by the rainbows created by the chandelier. Guys, just getting out has been just so therapeutic. Then it was time for lunch, and we decided to order a pizza. It was Friday afternoon, and we really feel for our local businessmen, so ordering a pizza just felt right. Lola wanted some, but she didn't have any. Later on, I decided to take some pictures and just keeping busy. Creating content or shooting things for work has really just been helpful in a time where we're stuck at home. I tend to mix things up from time to time. If I'm not working, I'm creating content. And of course, wine always helps. I step outside, I get fresh air, I take a walk, and just really count my blessings and be thankful for the things that we currently do have. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching.